So this is the 2010 Colorado I did all the videos for, and I guess I never really showed you guys how this turned out. Just take a listen, I guess. So it's a crank no start. I think the camshaft ripped itself apart inside there. Bunch of metal in the oil infill. Just paid it off, waiting on the title. Tell me how much you guys think I should try to sell it for, or if anybody's interested. It's in Vermont right now, but came from down south. No rust, good body. Hit me up if you're interested.